Independence Day is celebrated annually on 15 August as a public holiday in India commemorating the nation's independence from the United Kingdom on 15 August 1947. On this date, the India Independence Act 1947 came into effect, transferring legislative sovereignty to the Indian Constitutional Assembly. India attained independence following the independence movement noted for largely non-violent resistance and civil disobedience led by the Indian National Congress under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. We at Sri Krishnapur High School, all the students and teachers of our school gathered together. The young students of our school came dressed in their school uniforms very neatly and cleanly. The sky was beautiful and pleasant since morning. Sometimes cotton like clouds were appearing in the sky. The school's headmaster, Honorable Kollan Protopatro, inaugurated the program by hosting the national flag. Other teachers and students offered flower at the matri's altar and the feet. This time, India 80th Independence Day was celebrated.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्य श्यामलां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्नां पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् कोटिकोटिकण्ठ कलकलनिनादकरले कोटिकोटिभुजै धृतधर करवाले अबलात्यनुमानत बोले बहुबलधारिणी नमामि कालिनी रिपुदलवारिणी मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् तुमि विद्या तुमि धर्म तुमि रिधि तुमि मर्म त्वं हि प्राणाः शरीरे बाहुते तुमि मा शक्ति हृदये तुमि मा भक्ति তোমারই প্রতিমা গড়ি মন্দিরে মন্দিরে वन्दे मातरम् त्वं हि दुर्गा दश प्रहरणधारिणी कमला कमलदल विहारिणी वाणी विद्यादायिनी नमामि त्वां नमामि कमला ममला अतुला सुजला सुफलां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् श्यामलां सरलां सुस्मितां भूषितां धरणीं धरणीं मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
भारत माता की जय।